This Toshiba Large Countertop Microwave is like a reliable kitchen friend. It boasts a big 2.2 cubic feet space, so you can easily fit large dishes inside. And it has a powerful 1200 W. Furthermore, it cooks food quickly. This Toshiba Large Countertop Microwave also features a 16.5 position memory turntable. Therefore, your food cooks evenly. Moreover, this microwave has a smart sensor. Because of this, it adjusts cooking time. It also has 6 handy menus. For example, there's a setting for popcorn. Additionally, auto defrost makes thawing easy. You can even mute the beeps. The eco mode saves energy. And the stainless steel looks sleek. Indeed, the Toshiba Large Countertop Microwave offers many useful features. In conclusion, this microwave is a great addition. It's spacious and powerful, plus it has smart features. For instance, the sensor works well, and the mute option is a nice touch. If you need a reliable and large microwave, consider this one. It could be the workhorse your kitchen needs. And it simplifies cooking. Pros: very quiet, works great, looks great, small but powerful, reheats well, easy to use. Child lock function, great value, big microwave, holds big dishes, good interior lighting. Efficient cons: tiny buttons that are hard to see, reminder chime continues on and off, lift a latch to open. Loud hum, not backlit features. Large countertop, smart sensor 6 menus, auto defrost, ECO mode, mute option, position. Memory 2.2 CUFT 1200 watt. This Toshiba microwave is a large size for your kitchen counter and has a lot of power at 1200 W. So it can cook food quickly. It has a smart sensor that can tell when your food is cooked just right using 6 different settings. For common foods, it can also automatically defrost frozen food. If you want to save energy, it has an ECO mode. And if you don't want to hear beeping sounds, it has a mute option. The inside has a turntable that remembers where it stops, which is handy. It has a big space inside, 2.2 cubic feet, and is made of stainless steel. This Toshiba microwave is big inside but doesn't take up too much space on the counter. It works very well and reheats food nicely. It's easy to use and has a child safety lock. You get a lot for the price. The inside light is helpful for seeing your food. Some downsides are that the buttons are small and hard to see. The reminder sound keeps going on and off. You have to lift a latch to open it, and it makes a noticeable humming noise. Also, the buttons don't light up.